Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool again. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class 2 student. Dear student, our today's topic is rocks, and this is chapter 14 in your book, and today we will learn different kinds of rocks. Let's see today's topic properly. Our today's topic is rocks, and this is lecture number 8, and I will give you some SW. Our SW number will be 7 number SW. And this is your science book, and our today's topic is here. This is rocks, and this is chapter 14, and this is page number 98. At first we will read this chapter, then we will do some exercise of this chapter. Let's read this chapter. At first, look at this picture. What is this? Do you know? These all are rocks, different kinds of rocks. Our planet Earth is almost entirely made up of rocks. Mountains, hills and valleys are made of rocks. Rocks are found under the soil and even in the bottom of rivers and seas. Now, types of rocks. Rocks can be of different shapes, sizes and colors. Some rocks are hard and some are soft. Some rocks like the granite are very hard. It is very difficult to cut them. Some rocks like chalk is very soft. We can break them easily. Some rocks like sandstone let water soak through them, and rocks like marble and slate do not let water soak through them. Look at this picture. Here is some rocks. This is graphite, this is chalk, and this is sandstone, this is marble, and this is slate. Now, what are rocks made of? Rocks are made of very tiny solid pieces of materials called minerals. Different rocks are made of different materials. Different rocks are made of different minerals. Some rocks like marbles are made of only one kind of mineral, but most rocks are made of more than one kind of minerals. Now, how rock change to soil? Wind, rain, rivers and also the roots of plants break rocks into smaller and smaller pieces from many years. These broken down pieces of rocks together with the broken down pieces of dead plants and animals from soil. Then animals form soil. Uses of rocks. Marble is a hard rock. It is used in our houses for flooring. It is also used for making statues, buildings and furnitures. Granite is a very hard rock. It shines when it is polished. Large slabs of granite are used for floors. It is also used for making kitchen and bathroom platforms. Sandstone. Sandstone, it is also a hard rock but not as hard as marble or granite. It is used for building monuments. Our very own Shahid Minar is built of sandstone. sandstone. Coal is black. It is found under the ground. It is a soft rock. It burns well. We use it for cooking and heating. Chalk is soft. We use chalk for writing. You may see this kind of chalk. And slate is a soft grey rock. Roofs of some houses are made of slate. Black backboard and slate used for writing are also made of slates. Look at this picture. We use coal for cooking, and this is a barbecue, and we use coal for barbecue. Dear student, now we will do some exercise, and here is first exercise is true false, and here is only one true false. We can see one number here is rocks are found everywhere on earth. Yes, this statement is true, so we will write true here. And next exercise is fill in the blanks. One number fill in the blanks is dash burns well. Which burns well? The answer will be coal. So we will write here coal. So coal burns well. 2 number, most dash are made of more than one kind of minerals. So answer will be most rocks. So we will write here rocks. Most rocks are made of more than one kind of minerals. Here is 3 number fill in the blank is dash are found under the soil. Again the answer will be rocks. So we will write here rocks. So rocks are found under the soil. 4 number fill in the blanks is large slabs of dash are used for floors. So answer will be large slabs of granite. So we will write here granite. So large slab of granite are used for floors. Now we will discuss a question answer. Here is only one question and answer. The question is what are rocks made of? The answer is rocks are. Dear student, here will be a space. Is the 2 word rocks. Rocks are made of very tiny solid pieces of materials called minerals. Different rocks are made of different minerals. Some rocks like marbles are made of only one kind of mineral, but most rocks are made of more than one kind of minerals. So dear student, I have completed my today's topic. Now you have to do some SW. Your SW will be, your SW number is 7 number SW. Remember that when you will do your SW, please write your SW number in top of your copy. And your SW will be this question and answer. And here is only one question and answer, and this is your SW. I am repeat your SW. This is 7 number SW, and your SW is question and answer 1. This one is your SW. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at your home and submit your SW. Your next submission date is here 9 August. Your next SW submission date is 9 August. I hope you will do your SW properly and dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.